Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. I'm back after a while. I'm in Kashmir since last few months, enjoying here, traveling and having a good time with my family. You can check about my Kashmir stay and travel around here on my Instagram handle ZoonDaeb. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri rice flour roti or Tomle Choet, or it's often referred as Aab or some places it's called cher. This is an easy to make roti without much hassle. It's crisp and tastes amazing. It is dosa of Kashmir. So let's get started. For making these we need around 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. Here you can see. Salt around half a teaspoon. And rice flour around 2 cups. It should be slightly grainy. It should not be totally ground. It should be slightly grainy texture it should have. And we need warm water, lukewarm water for mixing this. So in a mixing bowl I am taking these 2 cups of rice flour. Then I'll be adding ghee. Here you can see, I'll just try to mix it. I'll add salt. And then slowly I'll be adding lukewarm water. That's important for this. Then we have to keep mixing it. Here you have to be slightly patient. No lumps should be formed. We have to keep mixing it. It's not like a dough. It has to be runny consistency. Here you can see. I'll keep mixing it and adding water as needed. We have to keep mixing till no lumps are formed. It will take a time, and here you can see, you will see there are some lumps. We will keep mixing till you see it's a smooth consistency is there. Meanwhile I have heated up the griddle or tawa. So here you can see, I'll keep mixing till I'll see there are no lumps and it has a smooth consistency like this. Now this is ready to go on the tawa. So here you can see I have heated up the tawa, and then I'll place a big ladle of this mixture on tawa, and then slowly with soft strokes we have to spread it like this. Here you can see, slowly we have to spread it. Here you can see. And then we will cover it for a few minutes. It is important, it helps upper side from drying. So you can see we will check on it after 2 minutes, and if needed we'll place cover again, and we can flip it, or if you want to add ghee or oil you can just simply spread it on all sides, here, everywhere. Now I'll wait for it to cook properly. The bottom layer will turn slightly brownish and you will see pores are formed on the upper surface. Here we can see some pores are visible. So we'll wait for it to get cooked properly. And then I'll flip it to other side. Just for a minute or so. And here it's ready. Flame has to be medium all the time, and same we will do with the rest of the batter. Here you can rub the tawa with wet kitchen towel and again repeat the process. And here you can see with soft strokes we have to spread the batter. Here, like this. Then cover it. Here again I'll cover it. Then after I removed the cover for a while, but it was not fully done, so I'll place cover again. Then after a few minutes we'll remove the cover. So you will see when there are pores everywhere on the top surface of roti, and bottom layer slightly feels brownish. So at this stage the roti is ready. At this stage you can remove it from heat and it's ready to be served. It tastes really good when it's hot with a cup of noon chai. It tastes amazing. So here I'm serving these with noon chai, with a cup of noon chai and walnuts. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.